Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Sunday evening DMT and Dominator update. So 15-minute DMT, you can see here. We're still in this buy trade. Again, we tried to actually pierce the sell line this time, which is currently sitting at about 7,470. But we didn't even come close to closing underneath it on this 15-minute time frame. So still in the buy trade, so it was a bit of a hunt down there. So 25-minute Dominator, as you can see, went from has flipped around between the sell and the buy, but it's currently gone into a buy. But then we've had a bit of the dip, so you would have been caught out on that 25-minute Dominator. Yeah, so you would have definitely stopped out on that. You wouldn't have stayed in that trade. So yeah, that would have been a losing trade for Dominator. I haven't seen too many of those in a while, but yeah, we would have got the win there. The short wouldn't really have gone anywhere, and obviously this buy trade was a really good buy trade. So over to Ethereum, see what Ethereum's doing. Yeah, 15-minute DMT again, the same. Ethereum, you can see, looks a bit stronger here than Bitcoin. It didn't come down to the sell line. Sell line currently sitting about $189 per Ethereum. 25-minute DMT. Wonder if we got the same sort of wicked out action here. So yeah, we had the buy trade. The buy trade came a bit late, I think, didn't it, for 25-minute Dominator? And then yeah, the sell wouldn't have been a great sell. The buy, yeah. So this sort of like proper chop zone is not that great for these indicators, as you can obviously see. But we obviously can't win every trade with every indicator. You can't have the perfect indicator. It won't work for all market conditions all the time. But yeah, it's a bit of weekend hunt action. A lot of people don't trade at the weekend because of things like this and no real direction. But yeah, so obviously you guys can decide to do whatever you guys want to do. So yeah, it'll be an interesting week this week. I think we're gonna have some big action this week anyway. So plenty of trades, I think, coming up. So yeah, so remember, oh god, tired guys, had a long weekend. Yes, remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everyone should do their own research. I apologise for the obnoxious shirt. You know how it is. But yeah, thanks for listening guys. I'll speak to you soon.